BYU's law school regularly works on court cases, but students recently got to work on one a bit more supreme than others. BYU Weekly reporter Jeff Merrill takes a look at this groundbreaking case.
BYU just got its first taste of law at the highest level as BYU's International Center for Law and Religion Studies took part in a recently decided Supreme Court case.
Everyone knew that this was the most important decision the Supreme Court has decided on religious freedom in decades.
The lawsuit started when the Hosanna Tabor Church in Michigan fired one of their employees. It became a trial of employment rights versus the rights of religion.
In this case, it's over the ability to decide who's going to be a teacher of religious doctrine.
This could include LDS seminary teachers and religion professors at BYU. While the center remained interested in helping, they deal mainly with international law and religion. So the question became, how could the BYU Center apply this case to countries all around the globe?
What is the international angle?
And then it hit Smith and his colleagues. They decided to contact religious law centers all over the world and see how other countries gave churches the freedom to hire who they wanted.
We had to scramble.
The students and professors here hit the books, working day and night to finish the brief.
They were doing research for us. We had people work on drafts. I did the main drafting.
For some students, this religious brief became a baptism by fire.
She came in to introduce herself in the morning, and we had just received word that we were going to do the case, and she says that she didn't leave till about 10 o'clock that night.
It usually takes months to put together an amicus brief like this. They got it done in 6 weeks.
We did. We had some divine intervention to help us put this together.
Even though this brief was just a small part of the case, they would like to think it made a big difference. The court sided with the church, and the BYU Law School not only worked on its first Supreme Court case, but also got its first Supreme Court victory. The professors here say that they'll never know for sure how much of a difference their brief made, but they do take satisfaction in the fact that 9-0 decisions just don't happen that often.
The decision was unanimous. It was a fabulous decision.
The directors say that the Supreme Court justices reacted to the case quickly and clearly.
It really means that the position that we took was the right position, and in fact the court found remarkable, that was their word, the position of the U.S. government.
The Hosanna Tabor case showed that churches should have the right to choose who teaches their doctrine, including right here at BYU. Jeff Merrill, BYU Weekly.